We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. This word in English designates the first part of the small intestine immediately beyond the stomach. How do you go about pronouncing it? In American English, it is usually pronounced as duodenum. You do want to stress on the third syllable, the D syllable, duodenum. In British English, however, this is usually pronounced with the sound of the letter J at the beginning more than D. So, duodenum. Duodenum, similar pronunciation but a different sound at the beginning. Duodenum in British English versus duodenum in American English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly obvious, including many words whose pronunciations vary or differ between British English and American English. See you there to learn more.